Hey, today we're going to be going over the first modification lighting related to Project 4Runner. So we just picked this up, and on the left side you can see we've got the depot blackout taillight. And at first you might say it looks pretty similar. However, just the top portion of the turn signal area has been blacked out, so it does make a big change despite it being only a portion of the light that's been blacked out. And it's really suiting for the TRD Pro, especially with all the black accents. You can tell the top of the taillight, despite the reflector still being chrome on the inside, on the outside, you can see it darkens up the whole top corner of that taillight. So it looks really good. We've installed those depot taillights and something called a Diode tailless turn module. It looks like that. It's plug and play. I'll show you up close. And on the right-hand side, we've got the two new bulbs that we're installing here. Those are the Diode XPR bulbs. It's a 921 for the factory backup replacement bulb size, and the 7443 in white that'll replace the stock turn signal and make it into a backup light. So we're gonna show you how this works. We're gonna turn on the parking lights right now. And also in the middle, we've got the Diode HP5 cool white bulb on the license plate just to show off. So the whole left side is aftermarket essentially. We got the depot tail light. We're gonna turn on the turn signal now for you. So what used to be just a brake and a running light is now a turn signal, and that turns the whole LED array into a turn signal area. On the opposite side, we've got the factory turn signal location up top. So you could put an LED bulb in there, give it a nice richer, deeper amber color. If we put the hazards on right now, you can see how that changes things. Now in reverse, you got the factory lower portion that works as a reverse light. This is how it is on the original. So you got one 921 incandescent bulb powering up the reverse light. And on the new one with the tailless turn, camera's picking up some flickering. There really is no flickering. You got the lower portion and the upper portion that turn into a reverse light. So that's what the Diode tailless turn module does for the 4Runner. And you can buy DIY versions of these modules as well. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. We've got all these products available, and we'll be able to direct you to what your needs are. Thanks again.